want to add a referral code on your Temu account, simply open up your phone and open up the Temu application. Once you've opened up the Temu application, you want to click on the U section on the bottom. Once you click on the U section at the bottom, you will see this option called Coupons and Offers. Click on Coupons and Offers, and from here in the coupon code section, you're going to add your referral code. So your referral code can be used in the place of a coupon code. From here, you can paste in the referral code, and once you have used your referral code, it will show up in the used section, or if you have any expired codes or coupons or referrals, they will show up in the expired section. And in this way, you can use referral codes to get discounts and promotional offers on Temu. Now, I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.